So those of you that might be having a little bit troubles with this problem, this is from 2.1 number 9, and it says use the graphing calculator to find the intervals on which the function is increasing and decreasing. So this is the function I'm going to put in my calculator, and this is the picture it's going to look. So this is what we need to do. We're going to type in x square root 144 minus x squared, and we can hit zoom 6 because that's our standard looking. Now as you can see, you don't see the looping or whatever because the graph is just too small though as far as the window size on your calculator. So what we're going to do is hit zoom 0, and I'll show you what it looks like. If you go down to zoom 0, that means fit. So we're actually going to fit the graph right into what we need to do. So we do zoom 0, and now we can see where there's a minimum and where there's a maximum. If you still need to kind of see a little bit further out, we can hit the window. We can make this, increase this one just a tad bit. Let's increase this one to 15, and then maybe increase down here to 15 also. Let's see what the graph looks like. All right, so we've extended it out just a little bit further so you can kind of see where it stops. So if you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. This is negative 12 because obviously the square root of 144 is negative 12, and it doesn't go any further because if you put any number that's going to be like negative 13, negative 14, negative 15 inside that equation that we did here, then this inside the square root will have a negative number. And as we know, there's no such thing as far as taking a square root of a negative number. It will be imaginary. So that's why on the graph we see that we don't see that. So this is what you need to do let's do the increasing first. We see that from this point, the change of direction from down here to here. So from this point all the way up here is where it's increasing. So we're going to hit second trace. We go to maximum. So I'm going to take this little cursor and it says left bound. So here's my vertex. I'm going to go to the left of it. It does not matter where. You can stop it here, here, here. It does not matter. Hit enter. See how it changes to right bound? So we're going to take it over to the right side now. We're going to hit enter. And the guess, you don't matter. You can bypass that just hitting enter. And it should take you right at the peak. And right at the peak here, we have the maximum 8.485, and then remember the direction says round to the nearest 3 digits. So it'll be we'll stop it at the 5 here because the 2 is not going to make the 5 go up. So that's the maximum, and if you actually, because it's the square root in here, the minimum is actually going to be the same number, but it's just going to be negative. So negative here. So that's going to be our max and min. And I'll go back to the problem so you can see. Continue, hitting continue. You see that here our minimum, which is down here, was a number that we just found. The negative, this was the maximum, this is the minimum. So it's from negative 8.485, which is here, and it increases all the way up to 8.4. Now the decreasing, where you see it decreasing at is, remember it starts at negative 12, which is that open part here, negative 12, and it decreases all the way down to this point here, which is negative 8.485. The other decreasing part is from positive 8.485 all the way to positive 12. So that's my decreasing from here to here. My increasing this from here. So hopefully this helps you with the problem.